Today, it's the downgrade time, so we're going to be downgrading the iPhone 6s from the iOS 12.4.1 to the iOS 12.4 to achieve that sweet jailbreak back again, because I've already updated this device to iOS 12.4.1 just to show you guys that you can bring that jailbreak back to your own device, just downgrading one version back. And this is a very simple process, you don't need any special skills, so just follow me step by step and eventually you will get that sweet iOS 12.4 for your own device. And now, let's get in. So the first thing you guys will need is a computer. So this is the only working way which requires a computer. There is no such way to downgrade your device without a computer. So of course, it doesn't really matter which kind of computer you have, the Linux-based system or Windows or a Mac like I have in here, but just make sure you have a computer and then connect your device to it and install the latest version of iTunes on your computer. So this will support the latest firmware that you have. And first of all, guys, make sure you make a backup of your device in case the downgrade process will fail. You will then restore all of your data back to your device. So just make sure you have a backup up here. So make it here in the iTunes as well as in the iCloud if that is possible. And now let's move on to the actual downgrade process. So first thing, guys, you will need is of course the actual iOS 12.4 file for your computer right now. So you will find that in the link down below in the description that I'm gonna leave for you guys. So the website is gonna be called Apple Digger, so it's gonna be in the article. So there I will have every single version of this iOS 12.4 for every single device. So just pick the right one for you. And after you've downloaded this one, just move that to the desktop for easy access. And then of course open up iTunes on your computer and connect your device. So here is the window that you will see. And after that, go ahead and hold Option key on the Mac and click on this check for updates button. On the Windows, it should be the Shift key or something else, something like a Shift. So it's a special key, you need to hold it. Click on this check for updates. So here's the window which we should see. Click on desktop and now we need to select the firmware version itself. So click on this one. And now, yeah, so it says it will verify the updates with Apple. Click on updates. And as you can see, the download process has just started. So we now need to wait for that to finish. And after that, of course, we'll see the iOS 12.4 right on this device. So let's wait a couple of more minutes. And so after it finishes, I'm going to show you guys how that looks like. And it is finally done. So we finally completed the whole downgrade process. Now let's go ahead and see which version are we running here on the iPhone 6s. And you know, one advantage of this process is that you actually save all your files that you have on the previous version. So this is pretty cool. You don't need to restore from a backup and do stuff like this. So it's a very convenient thing. So here, yeah, so iOS 12.4 finally installed on our device. So you guys, if you have any problems during the downgrade process, let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to answer all of these. And as always, guys, if you like the video, make sure you share it with friends, family, anyone who'd be interested in it. And as always, guys, I really hope to see you around on my next one, and peace out.